How to filter matches on Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. To filter matches on Bumble app, first of all, you'll need to navigate to the People section. Once you are here, in the top right, you can see the filter icon. Tap on it. Here, you can adjust basic filters like age and distance. You can also choose the gender who you want to date. You can select accordingly, select the age. You can also choose to find the people with the common interest, so add your interest over here. You can select the languages too. You can also select from the advanced filters. Tap on this advanced filter section. In order to access these advanced filters, you will need to have the Bumble Premium. After that, you can configure all of these filters over here. Now if you go back, all of your filters will be applied over here. So that's how you can filter matches on Bumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.